The results of live trading get a profit of $112,009. 25% or 155% of the deposited capital. Hello traders. In the previous video, I shared the hidden EA Expert Advisor for free. So if you want to get this Forex Expert Advisor, you can check beforehand. If you are new viewer, don't forget to click subscribe to this channel and get another free Expert Advisor every time I upload a video. I think this Expert Advisor Forex Hidden EA is quite interesting. From live trading information on MQL5, you get a 155% profit with a maximum drawdown that has ever occurred of 20.1%, 97% trading algo, 69.6% profit trades and 30.4% loss trades. Let's see the details. Trading using Hidden EA starting from January 2022. And in November 21st. 49%. With an accumulated total profit of 155%. This is the drawdown graph. Maximum drawdown of 20%. Let's check the details of the transaction. Trading history this week. The transactions are still active, meaning Hidden EA can still run until this month. Here there are losses in 6 consecutive transactions. From this information you can conclude the estimate of the ideal capital to start trading. It is recommended a minimum capital of $1,000, or $10 account, so that if a drawdown occurs, the Expert Advisor can still run until it seeks profit recovery to cover losses. And with ideal capital, in the end the trade will be closed with a profit. Trading statistics information. The total trading that occurred was 708 transactions with 493 profitable transactions and 215 loss transactions. 38 consecutive win transactions and 8 consecutive loss transactions. For the suggested raise you can see here. Please consider which pair you want to run. Also adjust with capital. If there is not too much capital, don't run all pairs. The following is risk information. Please pay attention here. Slippage information by broker. Okay, next I will show trading history using a Forex Expert Advisor using a Hidden EA. In the previous video I reviewed Hidden EA. Trading from October 5th to October 14th earned a profit of $24, with a small drawdown. And on October 29th the total balance becomes $5,083 or the total profit earned is $83. Then trading continued until November 3rd. There were quite a lot of losses with the US dollar to Canadian dollar pair. As many as 6 transactions experienced a loss. But in the end, on November 4th, the US dollar to Canadian dollar pair transaction was closed with 3 profitable transactions. Namely $58.92, $253.53 and $424.18. So that the total balance from October 5th to November 12th is $5,264.23, or with a profit of $264.23 for one more month. The account that I use is from the Exness broker with the standard type. Leverage 1 to 500. With an initial capital of $5,000 to run 8 pairs. From this information you can be used as a reference to run this hidden Forex Expert Advisor. Please give your opinion in the comments column regarding this Expert Advisor. Also watch other videos about other Expert Advisors. Thanks.